Welcome back to our channel. You know a lot of animals, but would you recognize them if you only heard their sounds within 5 seconds? Let's find out with our challenge. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. Anybody with the most correct gets a special gift from us. Like, share, and subscribe with notifications for more videos. Here we go. Number 1. What animal does this voice belong to? Exceptional. It's a hyena. Have you ever heard of them? Number 2. What animal owns this voice? Pretty easy, right? It's a cow. Number 3. What animal is this? It's a goat. This sound is pretty funny, right? Number 4. This hybrid creature is a cross between 2 animals. Which ones are they? A crab and an octopus, a crab and a spider, or a spider and an octopus? Good job! The answer is a crab and an octopus. Keep it up! Now, listen closely to number 5. Which animal is this? Did you figure it out? It's a donkey! What a cutie pie! By the way, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it if you did. Now let's go. Number 6. What animal does this sound belong to? This is the sound of a dolphin. Adorable, right? Number 7. What animal is this? Amazing! The answer is a spider monkey. Keep it up! We're at number 8. What animal makes up this hybrid creature? A sheep and a peacock, an alpaca and a peacock, or an alpaca and a parrot? If you said an alpaca and a peacock, then you get another point. Number 9. Listen carefully. Which animal is this? You're pretty good. It's the orangutan. Moving on to number 10. Can you guess which animal is this? It's a warthog. They have pretty adorable voices, don't they? Number 11. What makes this sound? Take a guess. Do you recognize it? It's an owl. Number 12. What makes this sound? It's cute, but it's not a cat. It's an otter. Number 13. Which animal makes this sound? Exceptional! This belongs to the koala. I love koalas. How about you? Number 14. Which animals create this hybrid creature? A buffalo and a cow and a hippo, or a cow and a crocodile? Wow, the answer is a cow and a crocodile. Great job. We're already at number 15. Which animal makes this sound? Take a guess. It's the brown bear. Did you get that right? Moving on to number 16. Listen carefully to the sound of this animal. That's right, the answer is a duck. Number 17. Can you tell by the sound which animal is this? Whoa, you got that right. It's a long-tailed lemur. Number 18. Now, which animal makes this sound? It's a frog. Number 19. How about this? Which animal makes this sound? It's a puppy! I love puppies. Do you love puppies? And we're at the last challenge, number 20. Which animals make this? A warthog and a hippo, a warthog and a seahorse, or a warthog and a deer? That's right, the answer is a warthog and a deer. Pretty cool. And that concludes our challenge of animal sounds today. How many points did you get? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, let your imagination run wild.